Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will move towards the subtopic of our first module, that is Introduction to Plane and Diagonal Scales. We will see what is plane scale, what is diagonal scale, what is the difference between them, and which one is accurate and which one is not as compared to the other. Okay, now we will see the plane scale. The plane scale shows relation between two different units. In the plane scale, there are two different units, the major unit and the minor unit. Now, these two units may be either kilometer and hectometer, hectometer and decameter, meter and decimeter, decimeter and centimeter, centimeter and millimeter, yard and feet. From this, for example, kilometer and hectometer. Now we have seen the plane scale has two different units, in which one is the major unit and one is the minor unit. So in kilometer and hectometer, the major unit will be kilometers and the minor unit will be hectometers. In this image, we can see the plane scale. Here, 0 is in between. The minor unit is at the left side of the 0 and the major units are at the right side of the 0. This type of scale is called as plane scale, which has two different units. Now we will see what is diagonal scale. Now diagonal scale shows relation among three different units. That is the major unit, the minor unit and the smallest unit. It represents three units, major, minor and the smallest units. For example, kilometer, hectometer and decameter. Now in this, the major one is kilometer, the minor one is hectometer and the smallest one is decameter. Now other examples are meter, decimeter and centimeter. Third example is decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Fourth example is yard, feet and inch. In this image, we can see the diagonal scale. Okay. Now, this plane scale gives accuracy up to 1 digit only. For example, if we have 6.7 kilometers, then it can be accurate up to 6 kilometers and 7 hectares because it has two different units. So we can write in plane scale 6 kilometers and 7 hectometers. But in diagonal scale, this 6.75 kilometers can be written as 6 kilometers, 7 hectometers and 5 decameters. Okay, so this plane scale is less accurate as compared to the diagonal scale, and hence the diagonal scale is more accurate than the plane scale. So we can see in the drafter, mini drafter, that it has diagonal scale. Similar to diagonal scale, it has two plates, which is one is vertical and one is horizontal. So it is accurate one as compared to the roller one. Okay. Now we will see the units which are used, relation between two different units. Okay, the conversion we may say. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers. 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. And 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. These are the different relationships between two different units.